Welcome to the National Museum of the Philippines-Cebu, formerly known as Aduana Building. The Aduana Building was an old customs building that later became known as 𝐍𝐀𝐓𝐈𝐋𝐈𝐍𝐀𝐋 until it was no longer in use. In 2019, National Museum Chairperson Evangelina Lourdes Arroyo Bernas sent a letter to Presidential Assistant for the Visayas Michael Dino, expressing interest in making the old structure into a museum. This led to the decision to restore and repurpose the building, turning it into the National Museum of the Philippines-Cebu. The museum is situated next to Plaza Independencia, with the Cebu Cordova Link Expressway running behind it. This museum will soon be part of the heritage tour package of the Cebu City government. Cebu City Tourism Commission Head, Councilor Jocelyn Pesquera, is thrilled about the museum's opening and how it will help with the development of tourism in the city. In recent years, the government has gradually revived heritage tours in Cebu City. With the emergence of this museum, even more people will be interested in visiting Cebu City. Cebu's National Museum of the Philippines head Audrey Dawn Tameda welcomed this new development to include the old customs building of the Port of Cebu as part of Cebu City's heritage tour and one of its newest attractions. Once the museum opens, visitors can expect to see national collections on Cebu's natural history, archaeology, ethnology, and fine arts. This will provide a unique opportunity to learn about the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines and Cebu. Upon entering the museum, you'll see the impressive architecture and design of the building. The structure itself is a work of art, showcasing the historical and cultural significance of the building to Cebu City. Once inside, you'll be welcomed by the museum staff, who will guide you through the various exhibits. Visitors can expect to see a variety of exhibits, including fossils, minerals, and other geological specimens. You'll also see artifacts from the prehistoric period, such as pottery and stone tools. In addition to the archaeological collections, the museum also has ethnographic collections that showcase the cultural heritage of Cebu. This exhibit includes traditional clothing, accessories, and tools used by the indigenous people of Cebu. The Fine Arts collection is another highlight of the museum. It includes paintings, sculptures, and other artworks by renowned Filipino artists. You'll get to appreciate the rich artistic heritage of the Philippines and see how it has evolved over time. The National Museum of the Philippines-Cebu is an excellent addition to the city's tourism offerings. It showcases the rich cultural heritage of Cebu and gives visitors an opportunity to learn about the natural history, archaeology, ethnology, and fine arts of the region. It is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Philippine history and culture. In conclusion, the National Museum of the Philippines-Cebu is a valuable addition to the city's cultural and tourism landscape. It is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its heritage and showcasing it to the world. Plan your visit today and experience the richness of Cebu's cultural heritage.